You don't need more motivation. You need a system that works on your worst days. Because motivation is a mood. Consistency is a decision repeated long enough that it becomes who you are. So here's a clean 30-day system to build unbreakable consistency. Even when you're tired, bored, or not inspired. No hype, just structure. Step 1. Shrink the target. Days 1 to 5. Most people fail because they aim too big. You're not building greatness in 30 days. You're building proof. Pick one action so small it feels almost unimpressive, but meaningful. Not change my life. Not grind for 3 hours. Something like 20 minutes of focused study, 15 minutes improving one skill, 10 client outreaches, 25 minutes at the gym, small enough to repeat, serious enough to matter. Consistency grows from wins, not intensity. Step 2. Lock the location, days 1 to 30. Here's what most people ignore. Environment beats willpower. Choose one physical location where this habit happens. Same desk, same chair, same corner of the gym, same table at home. Your brain starts associating that space with execution. When you sit there, you work. No thinking, no deciding. Location becomes a trigger. Step 3. Remove the after option, days 6 to 10. This is where people quietly fail. They say, I'll do it later. Later is a lie you tell yourself to feel safe. So create a hard rule. Your habit must be completed before your main relaxation of the day, before Netflix, before scrolling, before gaming, before lying down. Pleasure is earned, not mixed. When comfort comes after effort, consistency becomes easier. Step 4. Track in public. Days 11 to 18. Private goals are easy to abandon. Public ones are harder. You don't need a big audience. Tell one friend, post daily progress, or comment under this video each day. When people can see the streak, breaking it feels worse. Shame is a stronger driver than motivation. Use it wisely. Step 5. Build a no-zero identity. Days 19 to 24. There will be days when energy is low. On those days, your only rule is no 0 days. Even if it's the worst, laziest, lowest quality version, you show up. One set, 5 minutes, one page, one call. You're not protecting performance. You're protecting identity. You become the person who doesn't skip. Step 6. Kill the mood check. Days 25 to 30. This is the final shift. Stop asking, do I feel like it? Replace it with, is this who I said I am? Consistency isn't built by feeling ready. It's built by acting the same on good days and bad ones. Feelings change daily. Identity doesn't. Final rule, read this twice. For 30 days, no upgrading the habit, no adding extra goals, no switching plans midway, no chasing excitement. One action, one location, one rule, no 0 days. After 30 days, something changes. You stop hoping you'll stay consistent. You expect it from yourself. And once you expect it, breaking it feels wrong. If you're starting today, comment no 0 and tell me what your one action is. Subscribe if you're serious about becoming consistent, not just inspired. Now decide who you are for the next 30 days.